Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. So, we are now in lesson 62. So, ang topic natin today is about how to read the Gregg Shorthand one by one. So, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano natin babasahin ang Gregg Shorthand. So, iisa-isahin natin. Okay? And then, before we proceed to our lesson today, magre-recap muna tayo ng ating previous lesson. Okay, so let's go! Let's proceed to oral reading. You can get a piece of paper para dyan kayo magsusulat ng inyong babasahin. This is a phrases. I will. That is I will. R-E-D, read. M-A-R-E-S, Marys. Itong dalawang ito, this is a capitalization. So, ibig sabihin, either pangalan ng tao or month. B-R-E-F, brief. At itong letter T, either it or at. So, depende yan sa sentence. H-O-M, home. And then, period. Next, P-L-E-S, please. L-E-V, live, eat, in, M long I, my. Ang long I, sinusulat siyang like this. Ganyan. M long I. So, sa long hand, that is MY. Okay. L, long I, L, long I, B, R, R, E. Library. And then, period. I will read Mary's brief at home, period. Please leave it in my library, period. Okay. Next. I have sa brief forms, this is a or an. So, I have a S-L long I-T slide P-A-N pain in, M long I, my, R long I, T, right, ER, ear, period. I will, STA, stay, NS long I, D, inside. Okay, period. Number 3, I, REL long IS, realize, I am late, LAT, that is late, period. Number 4, I will, S long IN, sign, a list in, this is a month with capitalization, May, period. Number 5, I hear, MR, Mr. STON, stone, with capitalization, will, REMAN, remain, in, SPAN, with capitalization, so this is Spain, SP, okay, period. That's the end of our lesson 62, which is the oral reading. So by next lesson, we will discuss the letter S, P, and B. So actually, nabigay ko na ito sa mga aking previous lesson, pero ang gagawin natin is i-alternate natin, may oral reading tayo para doon sa medyo nakaka-advance na, and then meron tayong babalikan ng mga introduction doon naman sa nag-uumpisa pa lang. So, sana may natutunan kayo sa araw na ito for our lesson. So, sana makapag-subscribe kayo sa ating channel. And remember, practice makes perfect. So, thank you everyone and keep safe. Bye-bye!